Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we got a new product by FMS, and this time we get the Land Rover Camel Trophy Edition. Last time we got the K5 Blazer, and then we got the K10. And this time we get 4 different kind of Land Rovers. So you get the Defender 90, 110, Discovery, and the Range Rover. Ooh. So it looks like you get some stickers from different countries, and then you just get things. These are just rails that go on the rack, remote, then you get your charger and your battery. So just like the other FMS cars, the bodies are really well detailed. Pretty sure the headlights light up. We'll figure that out pretty soon. It looks like you do have a little hitch in the back. And I believe it's oil filled. Compared to the K5, this one is not oil filled, which you can, but here's just a little size comparison. Oh, I just noticed. So it does not have portals like the other ones. So we'll see how it crawls with this kind of lower ground clearance. Hey, I almost broke this thing because I couldn't figure out how to open it up. Unlike the K5, which just kind of clips in, I couldn't figure this out. Honestly, I thought I was gonna break it. It's just on Velcro, so it just closes down on here, and that's it, and it just swings. So really nice, but man, I thought I was gonna break it. I wasn't sure if it's gonna open up or not. So that's kind of cool though. So here's a tiny little motor. You got your receiver and speed control all in one. Here's your transmission. It is 2-speed, and then you got a little servo. So here it is, the first speed. Now let's shift to second. Oh! I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, not too bad. If you guys want this car, I'll have a link down below. You guys can check out the FMS store. I'll have a link to this car, to the K5, K10. And also, while you guys at it, make sure you guys subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. So just like the other cars, you do have working lights. Pretty nice. I can be pretty precise with this thing. We bottomed out, so let's go a little bit back. We have to throttle out. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. Here I'm letting go and it just stops. Nice and smooth. Nice. Not too bad. Well, that was one way to get down fast. The high speed is just fun to hit jumps, even though it's a crawler. I'm guessing it's waterproof. So safe to say it's waterproof. For crawling, it is a little harder because you got to watch how low it is. For example, like even these little rocks, you could get stuck right there. But for scale, this thing is awesome. I'm sure there's upgrades for it. Oh, stuck again. So it is a little bit more challenging. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Again, if you guys want to, I'll have a link down below. Overall guys, pretty good looking truck. Very scaled looking. I mean, it does drive nice. 2-speed. Very solid body. Got working lights. You got a hitch. So just overall, a really great truck. And the price also is not too bad for it. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time.